Hello everyone, welcome. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to insert image feed to Excel cells. Let us get started. For example, I want to insert BMW logo here. Change the size of the cell as per required. Navigate to Insert tab. From Shape, insert rectangular. Hold Alt key. Draw the shape. Go to Shape Fill. Picture. You can browse picture from your laptop or stock image, or you can insert online picture. I will choose this one, BMW, insert. As you can see, BMW logo is inserted. Change the size of the cell. Similarly, you can insert all car logos. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comments.